Hi everyone, I am Sharon and I'm the backend developer for the Event Pulse AI project, and I along with my teammate Rishav will be walking through the backend code base. And the yeah, here is the main.go. For this sprint we have implemented four different APIs which are delete event based on the ID, and the three different APIs for the authentication purpose. One is registering the user, and other is for login, and the third one is to uh, get the current logged in user details. And these are the routes added for these APIs. And as you can see, the in the internal folder where I have added the authentication folder, which has all the authentication APIs and the services. As you can see, there are four different folders. Auth handler.co handles all the HTTP requests. As you can see, this is the route for the register, and as you can see, this is for the login, and this is for getting the user details by user ID. And the middleware actually gets the token from the uh, HTTP request, and all it pre-processes all the API requests, and which can be used by the services for the authentication purpose. The other is the models. As you can see, user.go has defined the schemas for the user register request and login request and the authentication response. As you can see, uh, the queries user.repository.go has all the uh, DB related querying for the authentication purpose. As you can see, create, which creates the user, and get by email, gets the user details based on the email ID, and the other is get by ID, which gets the user details based on the ID. And the authentication service is the main crux of the back authentication APIs. It does have the uh, authentication logic, and it uses bcrypt and the JWT for the authentication. As you can see, register creates the uses the email ID, name, and the password given by the user, and it is hashed and stored in the DB. And login the validates the password and the email provided by the user, and if it's successful, it will be uh, user will be logged in successfully. And get user ID here gives the returns the user details based on the ID, and the pass token and generate token and JWT secret sanitize user are the utility functions implemented for the authentication purpose. Uh, these are related to authentication, and I have also added the uh, delete API as well. Handler.go, as you can see, delete event handler has been created, and queries for the delete has been added, and this service for delete has also been added. uh, Now I will show this APIs in running. For that, let me start the uh, backend. Oh, no, I'll be starting the uh, server. I'm in Docker for the database. You can see Event Pulse database has been started, and now I'm running the backend. Um, okay, now I'll be using Postman to show you the APIs in running. Uh, this is the let us check the what are the current events. Here you can see these are all the events registered. I mean, and I will delete. First of all, I want to delete the ID 4. I'm delete event 4. As you can see, the API has been successful and we got the request to note 4. Let's see whether the uh, event got deleted or not. Earlier, we could actually see the event with ID 4, but now it's got deleted. And this is for registering a user. As you can see, I'm giving this mail ID to create register the user. Uh, Actually, this email already exists, so we are getting a conflict. But if we give different email, uh, it's been created and the token has also been created. And then now login. Um, Login. As you can see, I'm giving a mail ID and this password. As you can see, the user has been successfully logged in and the token has been registered and the user details has been also been given back. I'm copying this token for getting the current logged in user details. As you can see, bearer, and I've copied the uh, a token here, and you can see the status of the API has been successful. If the token is wrong, for suppose I'm deleting just the S and see the it's an invalid token. We could and we could actually see the error. Uh, Thank you very much. These are the new APIs added for this printer. Thank you.